Boom, 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 boom. I'm 5 minutes late. Damn it. Oh, whoops. I forgot to set up the keyboard. See what you made me do, Harlow. Stream. Save. Oh yeah, I gotta change the fucking input. Sorry about that. I know. Horrible human being I am. We gotta change it. I don't know about that. You're watching a screen like a hawk? Yeah, I bet you were. Fucking hawk, man. I like that one. We're going with it. Pew! What? How dare you? You're lucky I streamed at all tonight. Don't leave me, Hawk. Harlow. Hawk. I was reading Hawk when I was reading your name. Don't leave me, Harlow. You're the only one. You're my only hope. And then you'd miss all the fun songs that I make randomly. And you're gonna miss my new intro! I finally got sick of the silent intro. So I recorded a voiceover and made a song for the background of the video. You want to see it? Let's see if we can get it to work first try. Alright, let's see if we can do it. I think it needs to be full screen though. Here we go. Get ready. Alright. Here we go. So first we got this working. And then we go to the new screen. And now when you click new game, let's start off with a nice formal intro. My name is Dr. Graham Milford, and I'm what is known as a technologist. My main focus has been on the theory of wormhole transportation. Like it sounds, I'm trying to transport matter around the cosmos in the blink of an eye. Or 1/trillionth of a second if you want to get technical about it. Crazy, right? Yeah, a lot of other people would agree. That includes most of the academic elite. You could say everything that happened begins with the jealousy of some of those dicks. They got their way, and I had to pack up and leave my lab. Alright, with that bit of background out of the way, let's get started. Cue the sad music. There we go. Now we have a real intro video, so you kind of know what's going on now if you watch it. And that's actually the first line from the book too. So again, if you read Orbem, you'd be pretty stoked at playing this game. Yeah, that's like the introduction to the entire book. That's me. And then you start playing it. You got your sad music playing, and yeah. So obviously, I need to redo the actual video of him talking. It's a little, you know, shitty, choppy. I kind of just had to like keep extending it a little bit more and more and more. So, you know, repeating. Obviously, you could tell I'm just like repeating animations so that I could fill up the entire space. But Yeah, I think eventually I'm contemplating actually animating the mouth. I've done it before with animations, cartoon animations, and it takes a really long time to do all the vowels and consonants and stuff like that. But you know, I could do that. You know, it took a really long time because it's 39 seconds, but that's a lot of frames. That's 60 FPS or whatever, or no, 24 frames per second. So that's, what was that? I don't want to do math in my head. That's 39 times 24. That's 936 frames that I have to animate the mouth.
Thanks, Carol.
That'd be annoying.
Here, you're going to need this now that
But yeah.
you're unemployed.
I'm glad I finally have that. So now, I don't know. The game's a lot more usable. But the main thing we need to focus on today is actually, I want to fix talking. Because this is such a dialogue heavy game, it's too slow. There's too many pauses. It's very inconsistent the way the talking works. So what I want to do is I want to reprogram the way the talking works. The main goal is to make it, once the line is over, start the next line. Because right now it's kind of like starting the next line every 3 seconds, like max. And it's kind of based off of how many words. It doesn't make any sense. I feel like I can do it a lot easier. So let's go ahead and jump into local and see if we can get this going. And I think the best way would probably be the cutscene in the CEO office. That'll probably be a really good one because it's a bunch of lines. And the spaces don't work. He gets cut off at a certain point. So I'm going to go ahead and jump on over there. I just realized that the pool table looks a little weird right here. Whatever. So, yes, the dialogue. So dialogue is controlled in the typewriter function. Basically, this is what makes the words print out in the cutscene itself. And what I want to do is I want to make it go to the next dialogue when it's done, which should be pretty simple. But the problem I was running into, I can't just go bop and then keep going. You know what I mean? I can't just go straight to the next one, because if it's a long piece of text, the talking is slower than the text, right? Reading the text, unless you're a fast reader, which most people are pretty fast, but reading the text is faster than speaking it. So ideally, the trigger is the actual audio, not the text. So what I could do is I can target the playing of the voiceover, but if it's using the Google text-to-speech, then I need to target when that ends. So I need to figure out if they have a little listener for that. So it doesn't, see right now, you see I have this next dialogue after 3 seconds. And that's basically running this. So yeah, we're gonna need to basically not run next dialogue after this timeout, we're going to need to run next dialogue after the audio is finished. Should be easy. Let's figure out how we can even fucking do that. Because make talk is the audio, right? So this is the text to speech. This is also playing the audio. So if it has audio, it's, yeah, right here. No. Yes. Pitch, text rate, text. Actually, where does it trigger the audio? Is it this? No. I feel... Oh, provided audio. So yeah. So we need to target if provided audio is not false. I need to target when that ends. So I need to look up that listener. I don't really remember what that is. And then if it's not false, good. Harlow's alive. So if it is using the text to speech, then I need to be able to... I think I just need to be able to target this audio end. Should work for both. Let's give it a shot. First off, I need to know trigger when audio file ends. That would be ended. Is that what it is? Ended? Is it the same as videos? Oh yeah, here we go. It's a listener. Yeah, it's the same as the video. Okay, sweet. So we'll do this. Talk, audio, add event listener, ended. And then when it's ended, next audio, or next dialogue. Next dialogue. This is where it's going to get a little funky. Where is next dialogue? Do I have access to next dialogue? Yeah, so this is the function I need to run. Do I have access to that here? Doesn't look like I do. No. Alright. Oh, it's because I'm inside of a listener. No, that shouldn't matter. Where is next dialogue? It's probably inside of a fucking loop with the cutscene. So yeah. See, it's inside. It's inside of Dish. Engage cutscene. Well, I think the best thing to do then is put make talk there. Or did I move make talk out? You haven't chatted for a second, and it just hit me that I was still watching this live stream. I zoned out for a second. Am I boring you, Harlow? I'm sorry. Yeah. Did I move make talk? Because... Why did I move make talk? I think I moved to make talk because I'm using it for the menus too. Yeah, see the explainer? I'm also using it, so I can't put it hidden away. Oh, it's an async function. Maybe that's why it's fucked up. Okay. So I need to be able to trigger next dialogue. But it's using all these variables. So in that case, we might need to pass those into the function itself then. Let's give it a shot. I mean, I'm going to break a bunch of stuff, but let's try it. Source, talk audio, cut scene. I think that's it. Next dialogue? No, that's being called there. Provided audio is coming from there. Yeah, I think that's it. It's text? No, text is coming from that. Text is coming from typewriter. Okay. I just wonder if I'm going to be able to move this out. And can I even pass source, talk audio, and cutscene? I don't think I can do that from make talk. Yeah, this is gonna get a little hairy. I need to make talk have access to this somehow. Because I need to use the ended function. Yeah, so this has to happen. How do I get access to this? I guess I could turn it into a window function. Problem is, when you call this, it needs access to all those variables. So if I call it from here, it's not going to have those variables. Well, I guess I can make a variable flag when it's over. There's only ever going to be one dialogue at a time, right? So we could do something like window dot next dialogue equals true. Something like that. And then if that's true, trigger the next dialogue. But then we're gonna need something that's looking for that. I guess I could do it in the typewriter function. Typewriter. I'm being snapped at. You think you're boring yourself? Oh, okay. I'll just enjoy the droning on of my voice, and I'll try to keep you up. There you go. There's your 8-bit interlude. Okay, so in the typewriter function, what we can do is inside of this function. No, I don't think it's gonna work. Because even after the typewriter is done, basically what it's doing is it waits for the typewriter to be finished. It waits 3 seconds and then hits the next dialogue. So instead, I could start an interval that's waiting for the audio to finish. I guess we could do that. So it'd be more like set interval. And then if window dot next dialogue equals true. Then do that, and it would be like every half a second, whatever. Could do that, and then we can clear this interval, I guess, and then we can reset this to false. Equals false. Clear interval. Maybe? This kind of makes sense, right? We need to figure out what this is being used on, though, if I'm going to change it. In case manually triggered. Clear. Right. Interval, I guess. And then we're also clearing this interval. This might not work. I'm really interested if this works. Okay. So we're checking if that's true in this interval after the typewriter stops. And it becomes true. So this is actually really smart logic. Basically what's happening is if the interval, if the window.nextDialog equals true, go to the next dialog. That only becomes true after the audio finishes. But it only checks if it's true if the text finishes. So that means that if the text finishes before the audio, then it'll wait for the audio. If the audio finishes before the text, it'll wait for the text. That way nothing is, getting cut off. Alright, cool. God damn it, I forgot my water. That's fine. Alright, let's give it a shot. This might work. This might just work. So I'm going to trigger the cutscene and see if it starts right after the audio finishes.
You know why I started Foresight, Grain?
To take over the world?
Ooh.
No, it was to stretch
Ooh.
the boundaries of what people
That's
thought
good.
possible, to bring technology to godlike heights.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant to say.
That's really good.
No one gets it, Grain.
The
but
spacing
you
is
do.
perfect.
You get it. That's
Will it
why
wait-
I
will it
chose
go
to
all the way
bring
to the
you
end?
here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest lab. You and I are very similar.
Right, almost like twins.
First
eh?
try.
None of
That's
this matters.
fantastic.
Not the money, not the board.
It's so
and
smooth
certainly
now.
not 99% of the
It waits
crap
till the
that's
audio
developed
finishes and
pushed out
just
of
goes
the
right to the next one.
So, what does matter, sir?
Magic.
It's so much better.
Magic, sir? Like wizard magic?
Did you know that lightning
Wow.
was considered magic?
Let's see what happens when I try to skip it.
Fire? No, the magic to which I'm Everyone is
Fantastic.
afraid of what they cannot comprehend. I called you here to tell you you are to continue, and
I'm sorry, did you say Scotland?
The skipping works great.
I
Dude, that is fantastic. Fantastic. Dude, that is so fucking good. That just made the cutscenes so much better. You have no idea. I'm so happy. Alright, let's see this cutscene now.
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir, I'm Dr. Gray Milford.
It's so smooth.
May I help you, sir?
Yes, sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson said
I like
here to
the
continue
new
some
font size
research.
too. It's so much easier to
Mr.
read.
Milford, I see here you are stationed in Section C, Lab 3 of the research grid. Here is your temp badge to get you through the end of the week. A permanent badge will be
It's
sent
so
to your
good.
company-provided
It
conduit
just it
with
flows
double
right
sign,
into the next
number 445.
the next line.
Here are your keys. Do not lose them.
And it waits
If
for you to
lose your
finish. So I can
keys,
make it as
a
long as
replacement charge
possible
will be
now.
required to procure a new
I can
set.
make it as long as I want.
Here is your CNC. Do not lose your CNC, or a replacement charge will be
So I don't have to
required
worry about it
procure
like
a new
cutting
one.
off after 3 seconds
You can
anymore.
enter through the doors to your left.
I also need to change that line.
Sir, I hope you have a great day.
Because he goes to the door on his right, not left. In the book, it's on his left. Whatever. I have to make a little tweaks here and there. Awesome. Dude, that is stoked.
Hello, Milford. Ahem.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Can I help you?
Hello, Milford.
Oh, hello.
For her, I need to spell out the entire word. I can't use
Mr.
abbreviations.
He'll be showing you to
Her
your
accent
station
doesn't
and getting you on
work
board.
very well.
Follow me, please.
Jeez. She's fast. Cool. I'm stoked.
This is your CNC device.
And the other
Refer to
make
this
talk
while in
still
the
works
Tyrus
because I didn't
Research
move the
Facility.
function. Dude, I can't find any fault with this. I'm pushing it. We going live. Nice. Well, we fixed that 1,000 times faster than I thought we were going to. I thought that was going to take a lot of the stream, to be honest. I mean, it's been such an a shitty issue, the cutscene logic, the way it talks. That yeah, I'm very happy. Fantastic. Cool. Well, now we get to fix the dragging logic. That was the next thing that was really bugging me. It's so shitty. I guess we don't have to push the code yet. We can wait till the dragging logic is fixed. So let's go ahead and go in there. I'm actually going to get rid of the music. What the fuck? Oh yeah, whatever. Okay, dragging logic. The main issue right now
This
is
gonna take forever to get an order.
when
Well,
I
never a better
try
time than now,
to
I suppose.
drag an item and my body touches another item, it switches which item I'm dragging. And like just pushes the other one around. So we need to figure out that logic. So engage drag function. So this needs to change. First off, this is deprecated. I need to start using... Yeah, I know I'm doing like space bar. Where am I using that? Oh, I think it's just space. Here it is. Event code. So let's go back to... Oh shit, what am I doing? Let's go back to engage dragger. Let's switch this to E code. And we need space and shift. You know what? I think we just need to make it shift. The fact that I have it being the action key and shift is kind of weird. And I mean, it's not a bad thing that I make the action key drag items as well. I don't know. What do you think? You think we should stick with one action key to do like the majority of the functionality? Because I mean, that's how you view focus view stuff. That's how you talk to people. That's how you break things. I guess maybe we should just keep it spacebar, huh? There's really no reason to make shift do it. I'm trying to think of a reason. I don't think there's a reason. Alright. I'm calling it. We're just using space. Shift is gone. I'm gonna have to change the explainer. That's fine. That's how it works, right? Space. Oh, it's capital S. Of course it is. Why not? Okay. So, if it's a space bar, then, and we're not currently, so this is the logic that gets a little bit complicated. So we have the drag item, and the drag item gets a class when I touch it. When I touch it, it gets drag me. So now it's ready to be dragged. So then when I click the space bar, then it starts this shit. Yeah, and I turn off allow hit so that I'm not like punching the item that I'm dragging. So this should be fine. But then I add it back, so when I let go, it lets me punch again. I mean, should I do that? I don't think I should do that. Why would I re-engage hit? Let's not re-engage that until we stop dragging. When do I stop dragging, actually? Oh, it's when I call this. Yeah, because when I let go of the item, I want to... Wait, how's this work? When do I let go of the item? Because this starts to drag. Oh. Got it. Yeah, this is how I let it know whether I'm currently dragging the item or not. So if I'm currently dragging the item, then it does this stuff. This is where it resets. This is where it actually starts dragging the item. Okay, so this is where I would need to add the logic to not touch another item. All right, cool. Then I can just... Oh, okay. Well, then this was in the right place. Yeah. Allow hit. Got it. All right, ignore me. We're going to drag item. This is where I need to change the logic. So first thing I do is I change allow hit, which is cool. And then... Technically, I should change allow hit earlier, but whatever. We'll see if that's a problem. So this is where I'm actually dragging the item. It's following me. But now I need to make sure. I think that's what it is. I need to go to where I'm adding the drag me class. Because if a drag me class already exists, I don't want to add another one. So I need to check if it exists first. Let's try that. Drag me. Yeah, so this is basically, does it already have drag me? No, but I'm not checking if a drag me already exists. So let's do this. False. Or we'll do this. Document.query selector drag me. So now this shouldn't happen if I'm already dragging an item, or if an item already has drag me. Do I remove drag me actually when I start dragging? Shit. I remove it. Wait. What? I don't know what that's for. So this gets the drag me item. That's a draggable item. I need to go here. So it adds the class. Wait, does it remove it while I'm dragging? Does it remove drag me? No, it doesn't. Okay. That's what I was wondering. So I think it removes the drag me class. Yeah. When you let go of it. Okay. So good. So if it has the drag me class, don't fucking add another one. This should work. Let's see if this helps. Helps the logic. So now I should technically be able to pick this up and just walk into another item and it shouldn't do anything wrong. Alright, here we go. There we go. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So now I can walk around these items, I can touch them. They do not affect my dragging at all now. Fantastic. So I can put this wherever the fuck I want and not worry about it screwing around. Same here, I can grab this one. Oh, I think that one's not set up correctly. Hold on. What about this one? Yeah, this one is. Same thing. I can walk around these. Oh, this is so much better. See, now I'm not screwing this up anymore. Oh no, I lost it. It's too far. Yeah, this one's that one. Okay, that's it. This should already be better. Fucking 2 for 2, guys. We are knocking out these quality of life bugs like a motherfucker. And this is gonna be great in production. I'm gonna push it up right now because there are like a lot of items to drag in the room, and with it being all screwed up, it's like impossible to finish the missions. So I'm gonna push this up. We'll test the entire organizing our lab missions, and also all the dialogue will be great. Fantastic. Screwed up. Excuse me. Excuse my screw up. Alright, let's go back to production. Hoo-ha! Oh, I think it's still loading.
I wonder what that sign said.
I wonder what that sign says.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Hey Cranston.
No hard feelings.
Oh, it already pushed. Oh, just found a bug. If it doesn't have any audio, it looks like it's airing out. Ah, really interesting. I think that's separate. That's not an error. So it doesn't know to switch to the next scene if you don't say anything. We need to allow for that. Okay, okay, okay. Good. I'm glad I saw that. What is it? Typewriter. So if I'm pretty sure I look for ... in next. Don't I look for ... Let me check. Yeah, I do right here. Okay, in make talk. See, I'm doing this. What I should do instead is put a set timeout and then do this. So I should give it like a little bit of time. So let's do let's do like 1 second. It might be too long, but let's give 1 second and see what that looks like. Yeah, and this is basically any sort of gesture. There's no text at all, or ... Cool. Alright. And let's see if we can test this out actually on something in local. Let's just go back to Foresight. Alright. Show me. Yeah, it's pretty good. Actually, a second was kind of fast. Maybe we should do like 1.5 seconds. I'm gonna go 1.5 seconds. Alright. Uno de half second. Let's do that. Push that up. Let's test the draggable functionality. Alright. That should be good to go. Let's go back to production. And let's test out the draggable functionality. Jump on into Thyrus. Yeah, okay.
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Graham Milford.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research?
Mr. Milford, I see here you are stationed in Section C, Lab 3 of the research grid. Here is your temp badge to get you through the end of the week. A permanent badge will be sent to your company-provided condo in Delta Sign, number 445. Here are your keys. Do not
I just did
lose
the
them.
Angry Birds
If
song
you lose your
randomly.
keys, a replacement charge will be required to procure a new set. Here is your CNC. Do not lose your CNC, or a replacement charge will be required to procure a new one. You can enter through the doors to your left.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Okay. I just got caught up in the Angry Birds song. Okay, let's go. Yes, I know you gave me a song. Goodbye. I don't want to talk to you. Actually, fuck, I gotta talk to you.
Hello, Mer Milford. Ahem.
Oh, I'm so
Hello, Mer.
Oh, hello.
It's the
Uh-oh. What happened? Nothing. Why is she not walking? Oh, shit. It must have not have pushed me away from her. That's weird. Well, she'll walk eventually. Okay.
This is your
There she goes.
CNC device. Refer to this while in the Tyrus research facility.
I really want to add that NPC facing direction logic, by the way. Like, where they face you when they're talking to you, even if you, like, talk to them from a different direction.
This is gonna take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
Alright, so now we should be able to organize this office pretty easily. I mean, way smoother. Let's move these over here. So we can move this up here. Then we gotta move you kind of over here. It's supposed to be hard. And then we can put you right in your spot. There we go. What else do we got here? Let's move you. You're gonna go over here. Unfortunately, I know where these all go, even though it might be harder for somebody who's never created the game to figure out what these outlines mean. Oh shit, I can't cover up the blade device. Oh shit, I can't lose you. Okay, you stay there. You go there. Now you go over there. On my way. I need to get to you. You're gonna eventually go up there, but I'm gonna move you right here. Okay, we got this. You move out of my way. Hey, at least it's kind of challenging, but it's working really well. Like, I'm not feeling like it's broken anymore. Like, I feel like I have to move things out of the way to move other things. Here we go. No. This one is kind of overlapping. I have to fix the sizing on these. So I'm gonna actually leave that one over here. Alright. There we go. We got another one. Let's see. This one will kind of screw up if we lock it in place, so let's not do that. You might actually soft lock the player. I didn't think about that. Let's move this one out of the way. Let's put the monitors in place. I gotta get under the monitor. And I also need to add the dragging animation. There we go, that one worked. So if we add the dragging animation, what's gonna happen is whatever direction I'm grabbing the item from, I'm gonna like put my hands on it basically. So it looks a little bit more like I'm dragging it and not like it's just floating. We got this. I think I can actually finish it for once. Nice. Let's move you out of the way so I so I can move the servers in the right spot. Get under you. Alright. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. I need to go on the other side. Come on. Oh yeah. Last one is this fucking arm. Oh look, it looks like it's the wrong size. The image is even getting cut off. Yeah, I need to fix that. Yeah, see, I can't even get it right. It's not recognizing it because the other one's overlapping with it. Okay. Well, at least my office is looking better. Not too shabby. And I do like the spacebar. I think it just makes sense. And I like that some of them I can walk through, some of them I can't. Makes sense. I can walk in front of this one. The chair I can walk in front of. It all makes sense. I can't walk in front of the computer. Sweet. No, I'm stoked on this. Okay. Dragging functionality is great. Sizing, not so much. Man, we're just fucking cooking now. Getting through all these bugs. So, we have two options. We have two functionalities we need to add. The NPCs pointing at you when you walk around them. And then we also have the dragging animation functionality. Both of those, I think the NPC moving in your direction is going to be a little bit easier because I have all the triggers already. I just need to basically swap the image out when you touch them from a certain direction. Now, I don't think I have the logic that determines which side you're on, so I'm going to have to add a util for that. But I do, you know, we have the indicator logic, so when I touch them, an indicator pops up. So it knows when I'm touching, at least the indicator. I mean, you know. So I might have to tie it into the indicator. Because I only care about it when they have a cutscene. So, and a cutscene in which they need to face me. That being said, other NPCs start their cutscenes when I touch them, not when I engage with them. So it might not matter. I mean, so I can't use the indicator logic. So then I have two options. Screw the live NPC changing direction when you're touching them. Maybe I just have them face you when they start talking. So like if I start talking to her right here,
I can't help.
I want her to
Notice how
face
fast
me.
You walk.
Oh, sorry, I lost track of my velocity at times.
Yeah.
It's part of my Patreon enhanced biomechanics.
Because it's really
It
weird that
allows
she's
us
just kind of
subjects
like
to
facing
function
forward when I'm
5
talking to
times
her
the
on the left.
capacity of
And I
their
can't
average
move
physical
during cutscenes,
capabilities.
so...
Reduced lactic building, muscle strengthening, mixed with increased flexibility results in a much higher speed of movement.
Yeah, I agree.
How do you accomplish this?
You need to go to
For that
bed?
matter,
Alright, man.
How did you get authorization to test it
Catch you in the
yourself?
next one, Harlow.
You'll find that this research facility has a lot of pecs. We can push the boundaries of science without the political red tape
Oh.
and financial blockades that plague most other scientists.
I love the
Mer
new
Salverson makes sure we're
cutscene
free to do
logic.
what's
It's
best
so
for our
much smoother.
research.
Hey, Underrun play!
As far as how this
This is the only game I've made.
the simple version
That's
is
not
that
true.
my genes have been altered
I
via
did make
proprietary Sigma radiation.
a
It will take a few days to explain this properly.
Space
but alas,
Invaders
here we are.
style South Park game
Do you have any questions?
where Cartman is
what's with the
shooting
glass
cheesy
walls?
poofs
What
at
about
turkeys.
them?
killer turkeys.
Well, there isn't much privacy.
This was
I
a
mean,
Flash game.
I take it
So I did make
is
that.
quite transparent about his
I wonder if I can
concurrent
find that.
projects.
I think I found it not
He had not
a little
put
while
much thought
back, and
into
I
that,
played it
but
again.
yes,
It's very hard.
Salverson does believe that all of the pet races should remain open to gain insights, or even combine efforts as needed,
Yes.
to further their research.
I mean,
You
if you
should
can't
not
understand what
worry
she's
about
saying, at least you can
suffering,
read it,
though.
right?
The glass is kite indestructible. If you hear an explosion and you will, there is no need to worry about shrapnel.
Good.
Well, that's good. Nothing will ruin your afternoon quite like shrapnel.
Yeah, I agree.
Sorry for my ignorance, but you've mentioned P3 a couple of times.
All right.
I miss.
Wonderful. Then, Sadate, why don't you get
It's
set
a
up
date.
here and we'll send the dinner specifics to your CNC. By the way, it stands for Crossed Network Communicator. We are a transparent relay inside the facility, but should have zero contact with the outside world once you are on premises. You have probably noticed that all outside signals are being blocked. Great, thanks for the information.
All right, what are we doing? We don't have time to finish either of the tasks, but we should definitely do at least one of them. Let's start one of them. Let's do the NPC facing you logic. Let's just do it. I feel like it'll be easier to knock out. And then we'll get into the dragging logic afterwards. That just makes the most sense. So, in this case, we can use Cranston. So let me do this. Basically, all we need to do is this: engage cutscene. So in the engage cutscene function, I need to swap the image with the direction that I am on. So first we need to discover which direction am I touching. The right side, left side, blah, 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 blah. Which I think I already have, obviously, the logic to determine which side I'm touching, because that's how I bump myself off of collision points. So now I need to figure out how to expose that to the engage cutscene function. Because when we talk, I already change some things. I should also change my direction when we talk. So we should be facing each other when we talk. Fair? So let's start with my direction. I feel like that'll be easier. Especially because I have animation images for all of my directions, so I can actually tell that it's working. So we have me, which is the main map character. This is for moving the dialog box. So this is a little bit... actually, this is not the logic we want. We want... me. Where is me? So this is starting it. I guess I could do it in the before cutscene function. Where's that? Before cutscene. Here we go. Because we do some stuff before. Oh, here we go. Character position. Move character. Wait, so I'm already doing that? Trigger character move. Oh, no. This is me moving to the, to the area that I'm supposed to go. So that's fine. But I do have the character direction, so I can still change my direction. What you put in your ear? At first I thought it was earrings. Oh, what, this? Yeah, these are plugs. They are earrings. I mean, what? Plugs, gauges, earrings, yeah. This is a headphone. But I was just clicking. I was clicking it for fun. Okay, so I know the direction I'm facing. Right? Is that what this is? Data character position? Oh, no. This is not the direction. This is where I need to go. Okay, this is completely different. But I can still do it here. Yeah. I could still do it here. I should move the, face the character when I need to. Okay. So let's make a new util then. I think that's the best thing to do here. Only problem is I don't have access to me here, and I really think it's stupid to call myself again. Oh, here we go. Well, we're already calling myself. So map character. I guess we might as well just do it here. Okay, so I know what direction I'm facing when I start the cutscene. But I need to change which direction I'm facing. So let's do this. Face NPC before talking to them. It's good manners. Good manners. Okay. So face NPC will be the util function. We'll pass me, just for fun. I would also like to pass the character itself. So I think I can get that from the cutscene. So wait. So the cutscene has the character on it. So let's chill here. Let's actually put on dev mode so I don't trigger anything. No touch. God mode. Okay. So him. So in his cutscene, map cutscene. Pretty sure I have. So that's Giles. I need Cranston, I think. Yeah, Cranston. So in this cutscene, doesn't seem like I have the character I need. So how am I going to know who the cutscene is for? Oh, data character is right here. Okay, so we have the data character. So I can get that right here. That's what I was looking for. So I will do cutscene. Data set character. Cool. So now we know who we're trying to face, at least their name, which I can get the element after that. So now let's add another function right here. Face NPC, which we can use this for any cutscene now. That's going to be map character, which is me always, and then NPC. Cool. So let's get the NPC L, which is document.query selector, and that is NPC map item. Coolio. You are a developer, but your looks make you look like a gangsta. I am a gangsta. Are you kidding me? I'm the most gangster programmer in the world. With the sophistication of a piano player. Don't forget it. Okay, so if NPCL exists, then what we can do is, I guess, determine what side the NPC is on by their current position. That should be pretty easy, actually. So I can get my left top positioning and get their left top positioning, and based off of whichever, you know, I can just... Actually, I think I even have a util for that. Let's look at the block movement function. And oh, get block direction. This is a little bit too much, but I think we should be able to get the direction. See, this is collision. I don't think I want collision per se, but this might be the same logic I need. Yeah. Yeah, this will give me the direction though. Alright, I'm gonna steal this. Multitask. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, you know. I'm 36, man. I've lived a long life. Had a lot of times to gain a lot of talents. You can do a lot in, you know, 30 years. Okay, so we'll get... Top collision would mean that they are above me. So we'll go above. Bottom collision is below. Left collision is left. And right collision is right. Okay. So basically what we need to do is I need my top and bottom, their top and bottom. Ooh, this is wrong. I can't do this. Okay, I'm gonna make it up. I just realized I don't have the right positioning for any of these. I just have the top and left. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get NPC left equals NPC L dot style dot left and pixel. Okay, const NPC right. NPC L. Oh no, not right. NPC top. Come on, dude. Top. Pixel. Okay. And then we have MC left equals map character style dot left. And what we're going to do basically is just take these positioning and based off of which one's higher and which one's lower as an integer, we can determine what side the NPC is on compared to me. Oh, actually this might be, I might need to, yeah. Map character is my full box, isn't it? I need the inside of my box. Which I don't even think I have. Hold on, what the fuck? Come on, dude. Oh, wow. My console froze. Good for you, dude. Son of a bitch. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, so that's my whole box. What I need is the top and left. Okay, well, I just gotta do some math, that's fine. Because it's 800 by 600. I just need to minus. That's fine. So we need to do some minusing here. So we'll do that. Parcent plus minus. So for my left position, I need to minus 400. And for my top, parse int map character style at top pixel, get rid of you. We need to minus oh no, top left is my so I need to add 400, not minus, and then I need to add I need to add 400 and 300. Okay. Nice. Cool. You're half my age? Whoa, when I literally said, bro. I think you have to say uncle. Nah, you can call me bro. It's fine. I am quite the bro. No reason to call me uncle. Half my age. Oh, nice. 18. It's a good age. Good age to start programming, that's for sure. Well, it's kind of weird to start programming nowadays with all the AI stuff. Must be weird for you. I mean, you probably started programming a little bit earlier if you are into programming. I actually don't remember. But yeah, with AI these days, it's gonna be really weird. Kids growing up with AI, you know, as their go-to for programming. Like I grew up with Stack Overflow and fucking, you know, whatever we could Google, which changed programming as well, obviously. GitHub, you know, open source. That was kind of my generation. But now it's just fucking, you have a personal teacher in your box at all times. Okay, so now we have the positionings we need. So let's do this. First of all, let's parse int these as well, just in case. I don't want to fuck with strings and ints. I always screw myself with that. And then here's how we'll determine this. If so we'll do const right. I guess we can do the whole image swapping here now. So first off, I need to look at how I do image swapping. So I do, how do I change the direction? That's changing weapon. I don't need that. That's audio. Here we go. It's not selecting a new character. What about like my direction? How do I change my direction? Well, let's try Miro. Explore position. So that's my top and left. Yeah, but how do I switch the images? Where am I doing that? Am I doing that in block movement, maybe? Get block direction. Is that where I'm doing it? No. This is just telling me which way to go. Where am I doing the actual image swapping? I always forget about that. Yeah, this is for enemies. Nowadays, AI is really helpful, yeah. But I can imagine how hard in your age to do that stuff. Nah. I use AI when I need it, but I like that I don't. You know, it's more fun for me to just write code because I know it than it is to like constantly have to go to ChatGPT and be like, okay, now write this thing. Or in Cursor, like, hey, Cursor, fucking look at my code. Now write this function. I don't know. I like being intimately involved with every line of the code, you know. More fun. Okay, so we do have the clip. So I don't think this is where it is either. I'm just kind of grabbing this. So wait, let's do this actually. I think this is where I can figure it out. Current movement image. New static image. So this is for the static image swapping. But where am I actually doing? Oh, here it is. Right? No. This is just moving. What the fuck? Oh wait, direct character. Change character image based on direction. I already have the function. Shit. I already have the function. Where's direction coming from? Is that all I need to do is change the direction? Damn it. I think I might be writing a function for nothing now. I mean, for my function. This isn't the NPC moving. This is just me. So I should be able to just pass. Yeah. My character. What is box? Box is not even being used. Okay. So I guess pass that for nothing. What the fuck? Why am I passing box? I don't even need it. Okay. And this is the only place I'm using it, I guess. Okay, cool. I'm gonna use this. Fuck it. Face NPC. So I don't even need this. Technically, all I have to do is this. Map character. And then what? My left and my top positioning? Top down, then left right. Wait, how am I getting that though? Hey, C Films, how you doing? Oh. Okay, so I still need to pass the direction. Got it. So what takes precedent? Looks like top down. Okay, fuck it. That's fine. Okay, I actually do need my function then. Cool. Wait. Yeah. I need this inside my face NPC function. So I still need to get which one to pass. So is it looking for true? Oh, no, it's whether it's top down or left right. Okay, that's what it's looking for. Got it. I'm doing good. Website and database are going well? Hell yeah. Your weekend was great? Fuck yeah, man. That's good to hear. Happy to hear it, my friend. Glad you're doing well. So basically what we need to do is, if any of these logics are true, then it's left. So top equals, basically if MC top is greater than NPC top, then that means that it is above me. Right? That means they are above my center point. Okay? So we can say NPC above. And now NPC. Alright. NPC top down. So if that is true, then it is above, or whatever, top. Otherwise, bottom. Okay? Now left, right equals if my left position is greater than the NPC left, then that means that they're on my left. Otherwise, it's right. That's basically it. What if witch named Mitch was playing a Switch on Twitch? That's good. Tongue twister. Now, of course, I think I need to kind of cut out a little bit so that it's not my exact position. But let's see what this does. NPC top down. NPC left right. Is that what it was? Top down left right. Yep. Alright. Let's see if this works. Because basically what this will do is it'll make me face them when they start talking. So let's see if that works. So I should turn to the left when he starts to talk to me. So I need to make sure I'm not facing him at first. Okay, here we go. Come at me, bro. Make me turn to the left. Oh, shit. He's not going to come at me. I forgot they have to avoid me. Maybe I can... Maybe I can force it. This is gonna be hard. Okay, it didn't work. End style dot left is not a function. Wait, what? N. What did I do? N NPCL. Oh, I'm an idiot. What am I doing? I didn't add replace. I'm just fucking chilling. Who needs replace when you have good friends? Okay, let's try this again. Go! Okay, well now he's in the wrong spot. Okay, let's see. Maybe he'll make me turn up. Damn it. It's already facing the right way. Try again. Wait, where am I? Wait, hold on. Offset width. Huh? What? Wait, where am I? I don't even know where I am. Oh, it's like screwing up my image. Huh. 400 minus offset width. Get block direction. Get left and top locations to move collider. Interesting. So it doesn't like map char. Why not? Why the fuck not? I don't know. Where am I running this? Box. Box. Maybe I'm screwing up the character icon. Interessante. You get block direction. So it's kind of messing around with the other function. So direct character is kind of screwing it for some reason. Map character doesn't appear to be working properly. Okay. So it's going into here. And it should be... Oh. Maybe window main character is not working? And I think what's happening is... the new image isn't working. So it's... it might be... removing the current image engage, but not adding the new one, maybe? Let's see if that's why. Maybe. Yeah, see, it's null. Can't find the new image. That means that seems like window main character is not being set. Where is that being set? By default, it's nothing. On load, it's me. Dataset main. Old, current. This is, oh yeah, this is because when you select a new character, I added this logic. What sets this though? I'm definitely using it everywhere. So I guess the only place that sets it is the, shit, I'm using this everywhere. What the fuck is it? Is it just my character name? Location. Game container. Oh yeah, MC. Wait, MC? That's not my real name. It's Graham, isn't it? Oh, maybe that's my, I think that's my slug, that's why. Wait, that's wrong. Has this been wrong the whole time? MC. Oh, no, it's still all MC. Okay. Never mind. So yeah, it should be right. Well, what the fuck? Why is it getting null? Oh, maybe it's the direction. Wait, what is direction? Hold on, let's figure this out. What is the direction it is coming up with? We might have to fix this bug tomorrow. I feel like we're close though. Top. Oh, does top not exist? It should be up. Am I wrong or am I wrong? I think that's why. I think it needs to be up. Face NPC needs to be up, not top. And I think it's down. So I think it just had the directions named wrong. Well, now we know. Try again. Yeah, there we go. So it's definitely wrong though. So I think what I want to do, I want to get out of here. Well, let's just try it with him, see if it works. So he should. Okay, well, now it's not triggering the static, so I definitely broke something. Okay, maybe it's not down. Is it bottom? Maybe I had it right the first time. No, it's down. What the fuck? I switched it to down. Oh, maybe it didn't. Maybe it didn't save. Yeah, I switched it to down. Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah, up, down. Okay. Well, at least it was correct direction. Hit me, bitch. Hit me. Hit me. God damn it. Okay. You're gonna have to hit me this way then. Make me face left. Oh, I hate it. Up. I don't know why it wants me to go up. Okay. So I need to get the whole direction logic down. But it seems like at least it's trying to work. I also broke static So for some reason I broke static when I set it, so we'll have to figure that out. I'm guessing it's because I'm not setting the direction anymore or something. What direction I'm facing? Static, true. Right-der. Yeah, I mean, when I let go, it should be setting it to static, but okay. Well, hey everybody. Thanks for hanging out with me and making more bugs. I appreciate it. Wow, I never actually set up my own Twitch watching. That's unfortunate. But Harlow, thanks for jumping on, my friend. Always a pleasure. Hope you're getting some good sleep. Sea Films, thanks for jumping on, man. Thanks for hanging out with me. Yeah, I'll catch you in another one. And good luck, as always, with your website and all your endeavors. Under on Plane Play, thanks for jumping on, dude. Appreciate you hanging out with me, even though you're young. You're not that young. Believe me, there are younger on this stream. And in case you didn't know, I appreciate everybody who jumps on and talks to me. So hey, if you have just been lurking, just listening to me in the background, yeah, feel free to say hi. Even if it's just hi. I like the engagement and getting to know everybody who's watching the stream. And yeah, if you're going to watch in the future, thanks for watching my VODs. Come in person. Love to talk to you in person about the, the industry, game development, WordPress, programming, being successful in your careers. I have plenty of experience and what not to do. So make sure you hit me in the next one. I will definitely figure out the NPC facing logic. And yeah. Catch you in the next one, everybody. Goodbye.